There's a new feature on iMessage that allows you to drag, resize, and layer emojis in your chats. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to stack and layer emoji stickers on iMessage. Now let's get started. In order to be able to stack and layer emojis on iMessage, first make sure your device is updated to the newest version of iOS. To stack and layer emojis on iMessage, open the Messages app and go to a conversation you'd like to use emoji stickers in. Then open your emoji keyboard by tapping the smiley face in the bottom left corner. From here you can drag emojis from your keyboard into your conversation, resize and angle them using 2 fingers, and place them into your conversation, overlapping with a previous message bubble or emoji. Your friend will also be able to see the emoji stickers you've added and exactly where and how you've placed them. This is a super fun way to play around with emojis on iMessage. That's all it takes to stack and layer emoji stickers on iPhone. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.